Ever get frustrated when your RDP server locks your Mac into full screen, completely blocking you from your other apps? Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. Today, I'm going to show you the quickest way to change your RDP server resolution on your Mac so you can finally get your screen space back. Let's jump right in. First, open the Windows app on your Mac. Once you're on the home screen, look to the right side and find your RDP listed under the Save Devices section. Now, if you don't see any saved devices here, or you're not sure how to save your RDP server to the Windows app, don't worry. I've linked a tutorial in the description that walks you through the whole thing. Go set that up first, and then come right back here. Next, click the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner. You'll see a menu pop up. Go ahead and select Configure. This opens up the Configure PC window. Now, click on the Display tab. This is where you can control your RDP's display resolution. First, uncheck the option that says Start Session in Full Screen. Next, put a check on the Use All Monitors option. You're not actually going to keep this on, but turning it on lets you access the next setting. Now, uncheck the Fit Session to Window option. Once done, go back and uncheck the Use All Monitors option. As soon as you turn that off, you'll see the resolution dropdown become accessible. Next, open the resolution dropdown and pick the size you want your RDP window to open with. For this video, I'm going with 800 by 600, just so you can really see the difference. Once you've made your selection, hit Save to lock in your settings. In just a moment, I'll connect and show you exactly how this looks on your screen. But before I do, I've got some exciting news to share with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited, and this sale won't be around forever. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, now let's connect to your RDP server and see your new resolution in action. As you can see on your screen, the RDP session now launches in a much smaller window instead of hijacking your entire display. You can move it around and work alongside your other Mac apps without any hassle. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.